All animals in the world are just links in the food chain, and each link has its place. Therefore, it seems that we always know who the hunter is and who the victim is. But the animal world is unpredictable. Predators do not get prey easily at all. Sometimes the victim can severely punish the one who dared to hunt it. And when animals fight for territory or for the right to procreate, it is almost impossible to predict the outcome of the battle. Today, you will see the most interesting moments when the animals made a mistake with the opponent. It's better to avoid snakes, but this cat is too young and inexperienced to know about it. Let's hope that this snake isn't poisonous. Despite the fact that the cat is much smaller than the bear, he quickly showed who is in charge here and put the bear in place. I don't know what exactly these bison want to deal with, but this fight definitely can't be called friendly. These powerful animals are capable of inflicting severe injuries on each other. Cats are far from bison, but they are also big fans of sorting things out in a fight. Rats have a bad reputation, but I feel sad for this rodent. What does this impudent magpie want from it? Perhaps it mistook the rat's tail for a worm. The defensive stance of this cat must necessarily be used in some kind of martial arts. Crocodiles often attack animals that drink from the pond, but this wildebeest turned out to be too agile. What happens if a goat meets a kangaroo on its way? Rest assured, these two will not be able to safely pass by each other and will definitely try to find out which one of them is cooler. Two lions were swimming across a pond, but suddenly they were attacked by an aggressive hippopotamus. Hippos can't stand strangers on their territory. Squirrels seem so cute, but just look at the squirrel in action. It deals with this snake so deftly, as if it had been preparing for this battle all its life. Never underestimate cats. Although they are small, they have such a strong spirit that even crocodiles are afraid of them. One small but very proud prairie dog showed courage in battle and punished two mean dogs who did not know that it was not good to offend little ones, especially when two attack one. This cat determines whether the dog can be trusted by smell. Looks like this buddy didn't pass the test. A free cat can even defeat a tiger if it's locked in a cage. Donkeys are not only stubborn, but also quite aggressive animals. Only those with strong nerves will be able to pass by such a ferocious feathered guard. On this day, zoo visitors witnessed how the baboons kicked each other's asses hard. This cheetah played with a baby gazelle for a long time, and it turned that the predator even feels tenderness for its prey. But the animal world is too cruel, and the hunter will never let go of the prey. But if the victim is strong enough and is not going to give up, her chances of salvation are high. Cheetahs failed to catch this wildebeest. And this antelope was very unlucky. Not only did hyenas set their eyes on it, but the buffalo also undertook to help them. Why an herbivorous buffalo would get involved in this battle is a big mystery. First, the cheetah chases the wildebeest, then they change roles. Thus, the predator and victim changed roles several times. The eagle tried to kidnap the dog, but its friend came to the rescue and saved the friend. In Australia, drivers witnessed a funny koala fight that took place right on the roadway. Crocodiles also like to argue a lot. Such fights can be quite brutal. And this unfortunate dog was the victim of an attack by aggressive monkeys. They say that a dog that barks does not bite, but no one will prevent a snake from biting the one who barks at it. I've already shown you a donkey who treated a hyena in a bad way, but as you can see, donkeys can do the same even to dogs. But the monitor lizard went its own way and did not touch anyone, but for some reason, the dog decided to bark at it. It seems that among birds as well as among people, there are individuals with a rather nasty character. I think this crow is pestering the dog just out of meanness. And this huge snake chose an eel as a victim, but it did not know that this creature was well protected by nature. The fox coveted cat food, but it was not the case. This cat will not share his dinner with anyone. Sheep are so fond of fighting that they will gladly engage in a fight even with a punching bag. But goats are even more aggressive. They don't care what size their opponent is. This crazy goat butts a cow. Interestingly, both participants of the duel fell to the ground. Yaks are no less aggressive than bulls. With the help of an underwater camera, it was possible to capture an exciting battle between a turtle and a snake on video. It seems that elephants also like to make fun of each other. This one, for example, pushed a friend into the water. And this little turtle got in the claws of a crab. She was very unlucky. In these frames, you see a moray eel and an octopus fighting. Moray eels have two pairs of jaws, so they are quite dangerous rivals. And here, at first glance, it's unclear who is the hunter and who is the victim, but the triggerfish became a clear winner of this battle.